Hey guys, this is Mr. H. I am doing question 11 from the January 2026 Algebra 1 Regents exam. They've given us a inequality and they want us to solve it. It's a really basic inequality. I'm just going to show you how to check it, right? Hopefully you can use boxes and circles or just your regular knowledge of solving linear inequalities and solve it. I'm going to show you how to check it. That's always one of my main goals. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to go graph this. Anytime you have an inequality, you can graph it. So I've already done this, and let me do a little cleanup if I can. I want to take this. Can I move this? I would like to be able to move this. Yeah, I'm going to move this out of the way. Now, you've got this line right here. That's the start of where our solutions are. You can also see when you hover over it that it's a dashed line, which means it's going to be an open circle, but we just need to find where it starts. So I'm just going to do menu 51, and it tells me that it starts at 0.5, which is the same thing as a half, right? So if I go to the answer choices, and by the way, the blue means these are all solutions. So anything to the right, anything that's greater than 0.5 or half is a solution. So if I go to the answer choices, right away, anything that has an arrow going to the left, I already know is wrong. So these are wrong, right? I need something that's going to the right, and it needs to start at a half, not 2. So this is our answer, right? So this is a great way to check. Now, most of you are great with the algebra, but again, it's always a good practice to check your algebra. Any algebraic manipulation you do, you should be able to check and know, okay, I feel pretty confident that I've done this correctly. In this case, we see the solutions are going to the right, so that means the arrow should be going to the right, and it tells me it starts at 0.5. So that's the same thing as a half. Every one of these has open circles, so that's not an issue. But even if you didn't know that, all you needed to do is hover, and if you see like dash, dots, dash, that means that it's just greater than. It's not greater than or equal to. If this was a solid line, it would be greater than or equal to. But in this case, it's a dash line, so it's just greater than. That's it. Hopefully you guys all killed this question. I'm going to stop and I'm going to post.